COVID restrictions may be easing here in the UK, but we mustn't be complacent. There's a great risk of new variants emerging around the world, and particularly in unvaccinated populations.
The protection offered by boosters will be limited if most of the world remains unvaccinated.
That's why we're calling on the Prime Minister to do everything in his power to help low and middle income countries manufacture COVID-19 vaccines.
The emergence of Omicron showed us how low vaccination can create the conditions that allow new variants to emerge. More than 3 billion people globally have still not received their first COVID-19 vaccine dose.
This is a great global inequity and an unfairness about how different people in the world are being treated. But it's also a reckless way to handle public health in this great public health emergency.
There is an untapped potential to produce vaccines around the world, but so far, intellectual property rules have stood in the way.
That's why we're calling for the government to suspend rules like patents for COVID-19 vaccines as part of a global deal to vaccinate the world, supported by more than 130 countries.
And we're also calling on the UK government to encourage companies to share their blueprints and technology for these vaccines so that they can be developed and supported and manufactured elsewhere in the world.
The government must put public health before the commercial interests of the pharmaceutical industry.
If they don't, we may see more variants of coronavirus and ultimately more preventable deaths during this pandemic.